what I'm trying to do is that I am going to use n8n plus Claude to actually control n8n and also create n8n workflow just by Claude itself. Okay, so this is going to be an awesome video, and why it's important I'm going to talk about that and all in this video. So yeah, be with me, and this is going to be an awesome thing. So I'm going to start from scratch. Let's build it through directly only. Okay, no issues. Yeah. So here what I'm trying to do is that I am going to create a demo video for my YouTube. So where I'm going to actually showcase that the capabilities of Claude Code plus n8n. I mean, with the Claude Code itself, I will be going to provide it .env API in the .env, and Claude Code can be able to help me to create n8n from scratch, and not only just create, it can also just deploy in front of me the workflow and all. So yeah, for that what I want from you at first is that you need to scrape it out and all, search it out the best. Let's first create an n8n instance on our computer itself, and you can use nginx to install it, or get the server live on our computer itself, and we need to run that on our computer itself so that we can see the n8n hosted on our computer. Okay, that's the first step we need to go about. And then second, we are going to either scrape or see the best skills out there to get the n8n building skill. If people have already done it and all, I'm pretty much damn sure that people have done it. And the second part is that either we can just search and go and do it from scratch as well. I mean, the n8n building of the workflows, and then also maybe deploying it. So yeah, that's what is my idea. Go about it, and yeah, let's come up with this thing. So yeah, I've done it, and let's it will take a bit to be frank, so I'll get back when it's already done. Okay, so it's going to do the installing of the n8n, run locally on the Mac using nginx as a reverse proxy to serve it, and then find the best n8n skill workflow that people have already built for Claude Code. And yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I'm going to showcase this, and this is going to be so much crazy, and you guys can also do it as well. And here I am doing it completely for free, whatever, anything. I'm not using any paid or something like that. Okay, on the other side, we can use Epify as well. There are multiple different type of free in between scrapers and all, whatever we can use for our implementation of this n8n and all. People are using crazily Epify store for for multiple of the different type of things like Instagram scraping, YouTube scraping, e-commerce scraping, TikTok scraping, whatever different scraping, Insta comment bot and all, whatever. Okay, so yeah, we can do a bunch of the shits, guys. So yeah, that's what we are trying to do. And on the other side, there is this ultimate n8n template, although so whatever idea if we need to get it from, we can pick some ideas from it, and we will try to replicate it, and then maybe see that what's the quality of it and all. So yeah, be with me with this video. This is going to be an awesome video. You don't have to create or do all the things on your own, because n8n is an orchestrator. It is not actually utilizing AI for the sake of it. Sorry, it is only using AI for the sake of it only. The thing is that for creation of any kind of automation, you need to do into the things and create all those things, when even though AI is capable much more than you to create and orchestrate it for you, why the fuck we need to do all the work on our own? That's the core crux of it. Okay, so if it can orchestrate, only our goal is just to ideate, only just to direct, only just the clarity. Okay, and just increasing its output and all, whatever. That's the only goal out there. Other than that, yeah, we are good to go. And yeah, so I'll let you know after we are done with this. It's already doing all its work, and it's so easy, guys. I mean, I've just talked to it, and at the back end, I'm just talking, okay, and at the back end, it is already just installing n8n locally. Then it will also set up the nginx as well. It is going to install whatever it needs to be. It is saying already what I found, that Node.js is installed, npm is installed, homebrew is installed, Docker is not installed. Okay, nginx not installed. Okay, then directory we need to use a fresh or empty directory. Okay, so no, sorry, this directory it said like it is fresh or empty. So yeah, no Docker, but that's fine. We will install n8n via npm, nginx via homebrew. So I've already kicked off a background research and all, whatever. So yeah, I'll come back when it's done. Okay, So yeah, it came up with an output. So yeah, the thing is that everything is live. It is so directly n8n is on this, then nginx via nginx reverse proxy it is on this port. Okay, so we can see it's already live. Okay, so let's use something. What should I use? Vivid automate @gmail.com. Okay, just breathe, sing, manage. It should RADMIN @123. Okay, yeah, that's what. Save it, man. Whatever, it does not matter so much. Okay. So we have self-hosted it, guys. We have self-hosted it. Now I'm going to do one more thing in it. It's actually made my computer a bit slow just because the server is running and it's not that much direct. It's a bit heavy as well. Gmail. I'm gonna open it up. This is the activation key. I'm gonna go and put it into it. The activation key. Activation key. Enter activation key. Okay. Yeah, that's what I am doing. Okay, that's it. Manage plan. We have entered it. Now we are already having this option. Testing. Yeah, we can do. This is the API. Let's just have it in our workflow, guys. This one it is .env n8n API key. Okay, that's the thing. On the other side, that's it, guys. That's it. I mean, you just have to create and just, I mean, it just made my laptop a bit slow, but yeah, that's okay. So yeah, research finding the best n8n plus Claude tools. The ecosystem is surprisingly mature, and here are the 3 best tools ranked by quality. What it is that this is the MCP servers. The knowledge of these many nodes and these templates and all these docs covered. n8n skills, 7 Claude skills that teaches Claude expression, syntaxes, validation, configs. So the setup is that we are going to add the MCPs, we are going to add the skills and all. And tier 2 is that like MCP n8n builder. Okay, 70 tools that direct CRUD against. Okay, so the keep in mind, like, I mean, if we are using MCP, it usually takes a lot of the context window covers up. But I mean, what we can do, I mean, it's okay, just for this video we can showcase it, but we also need to showcase, I mean, the drawbacks as well. I mean, it's not like just the MCP. If we are utilizing, how much feasible it is, how much the quality of the workflow is going to be and all. So yeah, keep that in mind, and then accordingly we will go forward with it. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind, guys, and do the research by itself only. So I am giving it the real concern I am having. So whatever I'm doing, I recently, from the quite recent part, I actually haven't needed I have not needed to be I mean, worked upon any time. So that is why I mean, doing whatever in front of you only, and this is also needs to be kept in mind. n8n 8080 nginx. Knows every node properly, slower per turn. The speed is going to be, I mean, that's the issue. n8n skills, lightweight, medium, great point. That's the honest and the valuable angle for a video. And yeah, trade-off can be, I mean, to plan shorter the demo smartly. Medium, load only the relevant skill, file on demand, good pattern plus syntax knowledge, moderate speed it is going to be. And direct API, no MCP, no skills, minimal, just Claude and plus curl plus API depending upon the Claude built-in knowledge, faster. It is going to be the fastest, no MCP, no skills. What I would suggest for this video, approach A, the MCP plus skills. It's going to install the tools and workflow, show the power, but also shows much more context, easy to, okay. Then approach B, raw, okay. I mean, whatever we can do. Why I'm showing all these things from the backend as well. I mean, these are the things which is actually talking to me for the video. So yeah, that is the only reason I'm showcasing. Like, you should also know the drawbacks as well. If you are using MCP, how it works is that if I am clicking here and I am putting here context, okay. So a lot of context is actually goes into MCP here. These are all the skills. You can see skills only takes a very 2-digit maximum, only one or two skills are there which are just on three digits, otherwise only 2 digits token only, and these are crazy. I mean, you can see here there I am not using any MCP and all, but otherwise if I would have added any kind of MCP and all, so it would have literally taken some of the good portion of my context, okay. So you need to keep in mind, the more context, the more unnecessary things you are going to fill up with your context, it is going to be directly impacting your output of your LLM or the chat, and also it is going to cost you a lot, because every single time whenever you are sending up communicating to your AI and all in your API, you are sending all those tokens into with your request, and every token is having a cost, okay. So yeah, that is the idea. So let's just keep it with approach B, okay. We are going to install some n8n skills, and we are going to see that, I mean, what are the different things we can do about it, and then I mean, people can directly utilize the approach 1 if they want to, but yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, I wanted to showcase it, how much I mean, any other drawback is going to be there, so yeah, you can tell, otherwise yeah, let's just do it. And what are the what are the best n8n workflows we can create it for our demo? You can give me ideas in that as well, otherwise I have some ideas. So yeah, I wanted to actually showcase you the power of it, okay. So that is why let's just see that, I mean, whatever it comes up with, and in front of you only, guys, it actually started off every single, I mean, thing. I am just talking to it. I can just provide this document as well. It can also analyze it as well. So yeah, demo workflow ideas, n8n is live. The top workflow ideas, the demo is this, leaning fast. My recommended demo is that AI blog writer, visualization, Slack AI assistant, okay, webhook trigger, YouTube comment monitor, multi-step approval, lead capture plus in, okay. So yeah, for the demo, I am going to go with the AI blog writer pipeline. So yeah, can you showcase me, I mean, what is its capability? And you need to create the workflow, and also you need to put it into the n8n directly. The env file is already ready, you can just access it, and yeah, go on and just tell me the update and all. Then we are going to test it up as well, and do your best, whatever, and if anything you need from me, you can just tell me. Okay guys, so yeah, we are going to go with this AI blog writer pipeline. Let's see that how it comes up, what's the outcome it is going to get us. And likewise, you can just work upon many other different type of workflows as well. I am showcasing a simpler type of workflow, just because, I mean, this video, I just wanted to give you a communication, like, I mean, if I can create this from scratch and all, whatever, just by talking, you can also do it, okay. So I mean, the possibilities are endless, only the power is that just knowing and actually taking action, coming up to the computer and just talking to it. That's it, guys. Your efforts are so low, only you have to just think and just get started, okay. So I'm going to start it when it will be going to give it is going to come up with an output on this, okay. It is going to take a bit, I think. So guys, it actually came up with this output, okay. So it actually, what it did is that it worked on AI blog writer pipeline, okay. And after searching and all, whatever, and also it actually created this on n8n workflow. I mean on that only the server we are running. Okay, so the workflow is that webhook trigger. It will be going to build a prompt. It is going to generate the blog post, format the output, and sends the response back to the webflow. Okay, only the thing it needs from me is that it is the Anthropic API key. Instead of that, I am going to put the API of ChatGPT. For that, I am just pausing this video, and after I am done, I am going to update you. So yeah, I have updated this open API key. Okay, so I am going to just talk to it. Instead of Anthropic, you need to use the OpenAI API key. I have already added it, and you can just access it and yeah, update it accordingly, and just update me. You can see it already generated whatever the JSON and all. The webhook is usually not that much visually um, testable. Can you help me to create it in some way that it should become some visually testable as well? We can see it end to end. It's working. Can you showcase some way, in some way? Nice. It is going to create a HTML page where we are going to see it's working. Okay, so I'm just showcasing you. This is just the n8n, and it already created this, already published it. This is the flow it already created. Now it is going to create an HTML file in front of it. Okay, you can see the overall things that it actually made. You can see, guys, this is so crazy. I have not done at all anything. I have not actually touched any of the things, and that's what this power is. We are not utilizing AI just for the sake of it. Just only we are not utilizing only one node as an AI. We are using AI to build all this flow. Okay, and we can do this for anything, whether we are going to create it for for content creation, we want it for any scraping, we want it for any personalization creation, email, we want to create it for whatever the reasons we are doing. Okay, so this is the AI blog writer pipeline. Okay, so how AI is changing software development. The tone we can pick: academic, conversational, okay, medium, generate a blog post. Okay, so it is sending the webhook, it is showcasing like where we are, it is generating, it's already in the execution as well, it's already running. Okay, it already came up with an output, formatting, and then sends the response back. That's it, guys, and that's the power of it, guys. What else you would like to see? Okay, so yeah, that was it. I just wanted to showcase this quickly, and that was my video. I hope that you liked it. Just let me know what you would like to learn more from me. And by the way, I am working on this community of 10x AI. If you are really interested, you can just get the link in the description. And I am building this community where whatever the issues or whatever the doubts you guys are having, if you are interested in learning AI, not only learning but also seeing that what is the current market situation and how you can sell it out as well, then yeah, this is for you. And you wanted to connect directly with me, there are some slots left. For the initial people, I have opened it, okay, only, and after that it is not going to be an option to directly connect with me, but instead in the community, yeah, you can always connect with me, you can ask questions and all. We are going to have a weekly call as well and all. But yeah, on the other side, if you really wanted to connect directly with me, there is a chance in a very minimal cost, which is not at all compared to the any consulting cost and all, but at a fraction of cost you are getting the everything in that. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And we are going to I would love to see you in the community if you choose to do so. Otherwise, if you even choose to not do, that's okay. You would love to see all these YouTube videos and all, and I am creating it all. Okay, thank you so much. Just follow me and just support me. And I mean, if you like my content, thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video.